Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log into my Spectrum router. In this quick tutorial, let's show you how to log into your Spectrum router. First, make sure your device is connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Open your preferred browser and type in the default IP address, usually 192.168.0.1. This will take you to the router's login page. Enter the default credentials. Typically, the username is admin and the password is password, though this may vary if you've changed them. Once logged in, you'll have access to your router settings, allowing you to manage your network, update passwords, configure parental controls, and adjust other advanced options. Logging in is simple and gives you full control over your Spectrum router, helping you optimize security and performance for your home network. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.